Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of SSC Board chapter Quadratic Equation, we are going to solve question number 3b, example for 3 marks, which can come for the exams. Now children, the question number 1 is given, if the root of the given quadratic equation are real and equal, then find the value of k. So student, the equation is given kx, x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. We will solve this bracket first. Kx into x, we get kx square minus kx into 2, 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now we will compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here value of a is k, value of b is minus 2k and value of c is 6. Student, here it is mentioned the root of the given quadratic equation is real and equal. It means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now we will substitute the value of b, a and c. Value of b is given minus k whole square minus 4 into a. The value of a is k into c. C value is 6. So minus 2k square is what? 4k square minus 4 into 6, 24k equal to 0. Now student, what is common between 4k square and minus 24k? The common is 4k. So what is remain in the first term? Only k is remain minus table of 4, 24 come in the 6th time. 4 6 is 24 and k is already out. So we get 4k bracket k minus 6 equal to 0. So 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. So 4 is given in the multiplication become divide. So k equal to 0.4 and here k equal to minus 6 become positive 6. Therefore, k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. 0 and 6 are the value of k. Understood? Now student, the second one is given. Mukund has rupees 50 more than the Sagar. If the product of the amount they have is 15,000, then find the amount each has. Now let's Sagar has amount of rupees x. Mukund has amount of rupees x plus 50 because in the condition it is given Mukund has 50 rupees more than Sagar. Sagar is x plus 50 rupees more is 50. As per given condition, the product is 15,000. So x multiplied by x plus 50 equal to 15,000. We will solve the bracket first. X into x, x square plus x into 50, 50x equal to 15,000. So 15,000 will come to the left side become minus 15,000. We will factorize 15,000. So we want 50 plus 50. So 150x minus 100x is the answer. Means we can split 15,000 into 150 multiplied by 100. We need plus 50, so 150 will be in the positive and 100 will be negative. Now children, in the first two term, x square plus 150x, what is common? X is common. So what is left? X plus 150. Same bracket we will copy. In the third and fourth term, which number is left? Minus 100. Now student, common bracket is x plus 150 and uncommon are x minus 100 equal to 0. Now children, x plus 150 equal to 0 or x minus 100 equal to 0. So now plus 150 become minus 150, minus 100 become 100. But amount cannot be in negative, so x equal to minus 150 cannot be possible. So x equal to what we can take? 100. So here we have to find the amount of each. So x we have taken for the Sagar. It means Sagar have 100 rupees. The Mukund has x plus 50 means 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. It means Mukund has 150 rupees and Sagar has 100 rupees. The third sum is solve the following quadratic equation. Under root 3 x square plus under root 2 x minus 2 under root 3 equal to 0. Here it is given solve the quadratic equation. Here method is not mentioned. So here we can do our formula method also, completing square method also, or factorization method also. Now we will compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here value of a is under root 3, value of b is under root 2, value of c is minus 2 under root 3. So delta value we will find first, b square minus 4ac. So value of b is given, student, under root 2 whole square minus 4 into value of a is what given, under root 3, into the c value is given minus 2 under root 3. What is square root under root 2 is 2 plus, now minus plus 4 2 ja 8 under root 3 we have to multiply become 3. So 2 plus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Here we get b square minus 4ac is 26. Okay. Now children, we'll solve the question number 4. Solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. The first one is given 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. So children, here two questions are given. First we will solve the first one. Comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we will find the value of a, b, c. Here a we get 5, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. So formula method here we have to use. So we will find the value of b square minus 4ac first. So value of b is minus 4 square minus 4 into a value is 5 and the c value is minus 2. So square of minus 4 is 16. So minus plus 4 5 is 20, 22 is 40. So here we get 56. Now we will use this formula. X equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value. So b value is minus 4 and b square minus 4ac we got the value 56 and upon 2 into a value is 5. So minus plus 4 plus minus under root 56 2 5 is 10. So 56 in positive also and negative also. So 56 we will split 14 2 ja. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 into 14 we get 56. So here we get what is common between 4 and 2 under root 14. 2 is common. So in table of 2, 4 is coming 2 times plus minus 2 is already out, became root 14 upon 10. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Here we get 2 plus minus under root 14 upon 5. So one will write in the positive, one in negative. So x value is 2 plus under root 14 upon 5 or x equal to 2 minus under root 14 upon 5. Same way we will solve the second sums of question number 4. The question is given y square plus 1 upon 3 y equal to 2. Now the 3 is given in the division form. So what we will do first? Multiplying both the side by 3 because the denominator is given 3. So here we get the equation 3y square plus y equal to 6. It means the 6 will come to the left side become minus 6. We will compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is 3, B is 1 and C is minus 6. Formula method means first of all we will find the value of B square minus 4AC. Substitute the value of BAC. Here we get what? Square of 1 is 1 plus minus plus 4 3 is 12, 12 6 is 72. Here we get B square minus 4AC equal to 73. Now we will substitute the formula minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Substitute the value. So here we get minus 1 plus minus under root 73 upon 6. We will write in positive also, in negative also. Now question number 5. Form a quadratic equation if the root of the quadratic equation are 2 plus under root 7 and 2 minus under root 7. So alpha value is in positive and beta value is in negative. To form a quadratic equation, we need to find the alpha plus beta first. So here 2 plus under root 2, 7 plus 2 minus under root 7. So plus under root 7 and minus under root 7 will cut, plus minus minus. So 2 plus 2 became 4. Now we will find the alpha into beta. 2 plus under root 7 multiplied by 2 minus under root 7. So here we get square of 2 minus square of under root 7. Square of 2 is how much, student? 4 minus square of under root 7 is 7. So here we get alpha into beta is minus 3. Now the required quadratic equation formula is what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0 is the formula. Now we will substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta we got the value minus plus 4, as per the formula minus is given, and alpha into beta we get the value minus 3. We will open the bracket. X square minus 4x plus minus minus 3 equal to 0. I hope you have understood. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video.